My favorite go-to foundation has now been extended to 34 global shades. Using my fingertips, I start in the center of the face and blend out. Using your fingers provides the most natural application and a seamless finish. It never looks like makeup. It works on all skin types. It's a medium to buildable formula. Sheer Glow is my go-to foundation because it never looks thick or cakey on the skin. When applying foundation in areas that you need more coverage, use a stippling motion to build the formula and sheer and blend the edges. This foundation is so good for your skin. It's infused and enriched with vitamins and antioxidants. Vitamin C brightens and antioxidants protect. With the new extended shade range, it's so easy to find your perfect match, making this amazing formula even better. It's a staple in my makeup kit because I know that I'll have the right match for every skin tone. This foundation is ultra lightweight, so it never gives you the feeling of makeup. This oil-free formula provides the most beautiful, healthy glow to the skin.